Aloha, my name's Bhavani Maki, and we just wrapped up today's online Yoga Sutra mentorship class on Sutra number 2-4. Avidya kshetra mutare shampra suptatanu vichino dharanam. Here Patanjali says that avidya, which are unrealized values and priorities that present as cognitive distortions, is the fertile field for all of our distortions in life. And unless we learn to look at these cognitive distortions, they're really going to change our experience of self. So we, in this sutra, really explore how yoga works. And prasupta, which means dormant or vestigial, is where we're not really willing to look at things. Yoga is a practice of radical non-avoidance, that when we don't touch things, they tend to fester, and that leads us into a state of disease. Udara is when things come up to the light, and rather than trying to control and be a perfectionist, we really let things move through us. Now, we have to be careful because we can also then become really projective in our frustration, and to learn to navigate that with clarity. Vichina is when we watch that tidal wave of emotion, watching the need to spiritually bypass it or neutralize it without really looking into the deeper issues. And it can put us into extreme behavior. In its more seasoned state, it's we're like, oh my gosh, I'm being triggered. What's going on here? And then Tanu, which is woven into the names of the postures, means our ability to see these filters and to start to stretch them thin so that the fibers become more separated and we can see with clarity. It's where we take time for self-care, and we really appreciate in our internal state as being what we actually can cultivate. In that clarity arises compassion and expanded awareness. We know that we don't always know. We're never going to have it all figured out. That life is challenging. Nobody said it was going to be easy. And that there is the work of taking care of ourselves. Such a rich sutra, and so poignant and potent as we are approaching the holiday season. As Ram Dass would say, if you think you're enlightened, go home for the holidays. Thanks so much. And I hope you can join our robust and vibrant global community sometime. Aloha.